Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna showing you how to add this PC, control panel, recycle bin, user files on Windows 11 desktop. If you want to add this, click on a blank space, then hit personalize. After clicking personalize, you have to search for themes. You are seeing that themes, install, create and manage. You can change here desktop background or wallpaper also, but I am not interested to change now. Click over desktop icon settings. Here you are seeing that computer, users file, control panel, select all. Then click over apply, then press OK. I'm going to check it, is it added or not. Here you are seeing that control panel, network, recycle bins, user files added successfully, but it is not organized. So right click over, then sort by name. Now we are seeing that it is organized, this PC, network, recycle bin, control panel and Microsoft Edge. So that's all. Thanks for watching.